This is so big. Like, I'm really excited for this. I've never done something like this before, but I'm really excited and I know it's gonna be a success. Hey, it's Theresa Slay and you're watching See the Slay TV. So as you can tell by the title, I have a very special announcement to share with you guys. However, if you follow me on Instagram at Theresa Slay official and at See the Slay, then you would already know what I'm about to say. I am launching my very first ebook, Theresa Slay's Sewing Starter Guide. Woo! So right now you see me with the tape around my neck. I just got done doing the little photo shoot for the ebook cover, which you guys saw in the thumbnail. I want to go more in depth with what this is and why I'm doing it. I started learning how to sew in 2024. I launched my business in June 2024. I sewed my very first dress around April, May of 2024. It's been about 2 years that I've been in the game, and I feel like now I've learned a lot and I've made a lot of mistakes to the point where I can share with somebody who wants to get into sewing things that I wish I knew back then when I first started learning how to sew. I didn't start out with a $200 sewing machine because I understood that to have the skill was more important than the tools that I use. Obviously, when you're starting out with something, you're not going to be perfect. When my first couple dresses that I made were not that great. I don't want to call it trash, even though that's kind of what it was, but I didn't know what I didn't know, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know anything about like pattern making. I didn't know about seam allowance. I thought I was sewing half of an inch. Half of an inch was not half of an inch. I didn't know anything about how to cut fabric. I didn't know anything about types of fabric that I'm supposed to avoid as a beginner. And these are things that I'm including in this starter guide so that anybody who wants to learn how to sew, you'll have access to all of the information that I have access to right now. 2 years of sewing, including a 3-month professional sewing course. I'm gonna put a clip from my sewing class.
I know some people that went in fashion school for 1 year and can make a skirt this straight.
My sewing instructor was going on and on about how good my first project was, because I already had some sewing under my belt, but I still decided to take professional training courses. After you guys saw in my my sewing mistakes video, I was the what I ordered versus what I got tailor. After that, I had to shut down customs and take a professional training course. I did that for 3 months, and that was the clip that you guys just saw that I posted on the screen. I wanted this guide to be very easy to follow. It's only 10 chapters. I'm gonna be going through the chapters in this video. I believe that sewing is something that is it's a very useful skill to have. A lot of people used to know how to sew, but I feel like it's a skill that's kind of dying out. I want to bring it back, and a lot of people, they want to get into it, but you know, maybe they don't have the time or they don't know where to start. This sewing starter guide is exactly that. It's your starting point. You want to learn how to sew, you always wanted to learn how to sew, but you don't know where to start, or you don't know like what you're even supposed to buy. Or if you want to learn how to sew, I'm going to be including beginners Amazon shopping checklist. So I'm going to have a link to where you can buy a whole bunch of products. You don't need to spend a whole bunch of money. Less than $150. That is less than the cost of my sewing machine that I use right now. $150 to get started with all the basic essentials that you need to produce quality work as a beginner. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. I was producing dresses that look like this. Now I'm producing dresses that look like this. You see the difference? Of course, I'm still learning. I'm not, you know, a perfect expert. I'm not a top designer yet. Emphasis on the yet. What I know can definitely help somebody else, whether you want to start learning to sew as a hobby or whether you want to turn this into a business and make money off of it. People who are selling their designs on Etsy and they're making hundreds to thousands of dollars every month. You could be doing that too. Go through the table of contents just to explain what exactly am I going to be talking about in this guide before you go ahead and spend your money. So let me just pull it up on my Canva. So chapter 1 of the table of contents is going to be a welcome, where I just introduce myself. Chapter 2, we're going to be going over realistic expectations, what this guide is and what this guide is not, what this guide will do and what this guide won't do. This is not going to make you an expert. It's not going to take you from beginner to expert. You build a house, you lay the foundation. This ebook is meant to serve as your foundation. I'm giving you the seeds, you have to plant it. Chapter 3, I'm going to be showing you a list, a beginner shopping list. So you can go right on Amazon. If you don't want to shop on Amazon, you take it with you to Walmart, you can take it with you to any store. Specific items that you need as a beginner, that you actually need as a beginner. Chapter number 4, we're going to be going over fabric. Which fabrics should you start off with if you want to learn how to sew, and what fabrics should you absolutely avoid as a beginner? I'm going to tell you how to buy fabric, how much fabric you're supposed to buy for a specific project. These are all things that I wish I knew because it helps you to avoid spending unnecessary money. Chapter 5 is intro to pattern. Before you can start cutting fabric, you need to have a pattern to show what exactly are you going to be cutting, what shape are you going to be cutting. You can't just cut fabric any way you like it. Show you how professional professionals make patterns and how you can also start going about making your own pattern. I'll show how I make some of my own patterns so that you can see the idea. It's really not that hard. You just need your calculator and your ruler and your pencil. This is just an intro. This is not an expert course. Pattern making can definitely get very technical. I'm just going to give you the basics, the fundamentals of it, and easy to understand. We always love that, right? Let me know if you love simple and easy to understand in the comments down below. Chapter number 6, basic skills to practice. Things that you need to learn hands-on if you want to get into sewing. Types of stitches that you're going to make, how to properly cut fabric, ironing. Of course, I can't tell you everything. You have to buy the ebook in order to learn all of it. But I'm giving you the, you know, little teasers here and there so that you know what to expect. Chapter 7 is avoid these mistakes. These are mistakes that I made or that other people have made as a beginner. Whether it applies to sewing or just being a beginner or something in general, these are just mistakes that you want to avoid. Sewing is something that you need to practice with, you need to be consistent with in order to make progress. I don't want to say it, but you have to buy the ebook in order to know what exactly I'm referring to. You can avoid making these mistakes. You will make significant progress within 6 months to a year of sewing. Chapter 8 is your first 3 projects. It's not a book that you're just going to read and then that's it. I'm giving you homework assignments and little mini projects that you can do on your own in order to practice your sewing skills. But it's going to be very simple. If you can successfully complete those 3 mini assignments, you can easily build upon it. Like I said, this book is meant to lay down the foundation. If you can master the foundation, these foundational skills that you'll learn from these assignments, you'll be able to build upon it and produce more complicated and intricate designs. That's how these big designers do what they do. What is extraordinary? Extra on top of ordinary. You see? Okay. At number 9, which is I'm sure a chapter that you guys will be excited about, how to monetize your skills. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this can be a hobby just for you. Maybe you just want to make clothes for yourself or for your friend, or you can actually make this into a money-making stream of income. And there's so many different ways you can make money as somebody who knows how to sew. You don't necessarily need to make clothes from scratch. I'm not going to say how, but you're going to have to get the ebook in order to know what I'm talking about, in order to get all the sauce. Chapter 10 is next steps and resources. After you get to the end of the ebook, what do you do next? And how to use this ebook in addition to other resources and guides and tutorials. Because like I said, this is the seed and you're meant to use this guide with other resources in order to further boost your knowledge and skills. Chapter 11 is a bonus chapter. It's a glossary. One thing that I learned when I was in sewing was that there are so many words that I had no idea what all of this stuff meant. Like, what is a dart? What is that? What is a yolk? Eggs? You mean like the yolks that I scramble? Like, I didn't know what all of this terminology was. I'm going to be giving you guys a whole glossary of terms so that whenever you hear all of these terminologies, you're going to know exactly what they're talking about. It took me months to learn what all of this stuff was. So it's going to be all about Theresa Slay's Sewing Starter Guide. This ebook launches on 4/6/26. April 6, 2026. So a little less than 2 weeks from when this video is going up. Of course, it's a digital ebook, so it's going to be online. TheresaSlay.com. Not See The Slay. This is more of like my personal thing. See The Slay is more so like my designs and ready-to-wear items. Theresa Slay is going to be where I'm going to be hosting all of my digital products, because this is going to be first of many. It's going to be $10 for 10 days. I want this ebook to be affordable. If you're a beginner, you probably don't have so much capital to work with. There's a lot of value in this ebook, so I still need to get my cut. After that, the price is going to double. So make sure you're getting your cards ready, your bank account ready, make space in your budget. You probably told yourself you want to learn how to sew this year, or it's something that you've been wanting to do but you just didn't know where to start. I'm here to serve as your guide, to serve as your resource in order to help you get started on your journey. It doesn't matter how old you are or how young you are. You're never too old to start. You're never too young to start. I made this book very simple and easy to understand so that anybody of any age, of any generation, can learn what's in it. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Please let me know what your guys' thoughts are about this new venture that I'm getting into. Digital products is definitely something that I wanted to get into because I have so much knowledge and experience. Even though I'm only 27 years old, I feel like I have so much that I can share with the world or with anybody who needs it. Yeah, take advantage of it. Like, I want to pour back into people. I want to help people. So yeah, make sure you guys mark your calendars April 6, 2026, theresaslay.com. The sewing starter guide is going to go live. $10 for 10 days. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be keeping you guys updated. Follow at Theresa Slay Official. That's my personal brand page. You can stay up to date with this ebook launch and further launches in the future. Please make sure to let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Give this video a like and remember to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye.